so exciting. I mean, I haven't been this apprehensive about anything since my first kiss.
Exercising the book should be easy. All we have to do is find the right passage in the compendium and read it aloud.
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about getting rid of this monster that's inside me.
You'll be the same woman you were before.
I don't think that's possible. I'm changed for life. No, let's just do this.
The books.
You don't think...
Let's not panic. Let's not panic. The boxes are probably 2 or 3 streets away, intact. There is nothing to worry about. The other hand.
Oh, God!
Okay, so I was wrong.
Now what?
We find the compendium fast.
It could be anywhere. It'll take us months to find it.
Well, think positive.
I'm trying. You don't make it very easy. Ah! Ian, is that you under there?
Your tongue is sharp, Voltaire. Surely it is not as sharp as my sword.
Think. You're Ian Matheson, not Cyrano de Bergerac.
Defend yourself, or die.
That's it. I gotta find some...
Randy! Randy! Randy!
Ian?
Randy!
Ian!
Randy! Randy!
Compendium.
Come on, we've got to go.
No! The compendium, we've got to find it!
Let's get the book. The place is burning down.
I can't!
Come on, you're going to burn to death.
No, let me go! There goes my cure.
That's what counts.
I had such hopes. For a few moments, thought I'd be free.
Believe, Randy. Believe it'll happen. I promise you that.
But in playing with the principles of Lacan, we must deconstruct the image of Mephisto, learn to see it as a universal signifier in a hermeneutic system, rather than as a specific representation of... As his razor-sharp fangs pierced her milky white neck, she felt no pain. Instead, there was a warmth and then a rush of pleasure, stronger than the waves that crashed it. A set of signs in which and of itself signifies no more than its own.
Purposely baroque and ultimately meaningless iconography. I couldn't have said it better myself.
Thank you. I was so wrapped up in your manuscript, I didn't hear you come in. It's a crime, it will get published.
Well, you're looking at England's #1 crime stopper. The paperback should be out before Christmas, and it'll make a great little stocking filler.
That's wonderful.
Put away the manuscript. We have some celebrating to do.
You got this much for that book?
A canny publisher knows what sells.
Wait a minute here. What is this, Satan's sex slaves? The story of one woman's descent into perversion?
Well, the publisher agreed with us. The book needs some punching up and a new title.
Us?
Yes. Haven't I introduced you to my co-writer?
How's this? Her pulsating breast heaved as the devil's scaly claws tore off her lacy bra.
Fabulous, Aunt Elsa. Will set the literary world on its ear.
Take me now, O Lord of Darkness. Take me now, she cried.
Well, if you can't beat him, join him.
There you go. Well done.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Star Wars, The Empire Strikes Back, Return of the Jedi, 3 of sci-fi cinema's greatest films in their original letterboxed editions. Billy D. Williams hosts the Star Wars trilogy. Begins at 7 p.m. Eastern, Sci-Fi Thursday. Earthquakes, tidal waves, volcanoes. Now submerge yourself for a full day aboard the most famous sci-fi sub in TV history. It's the Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea Marathon, beginning at 9 a.m. Eastern on Sci-Fi Friday.